Well, here we are. The day has finally come. It's time for me, Geoff, and my 6-year-old son, James, to do our first flight of the DJI Avata. Let's fly. Oops, I hit your head, didn't I?
Yeah.
That was good. Okay, let's just keep going.
Yeah, we'll slice it out.
We'll slice it out in the edit. Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, doggy-o, bo. All right, so here we are. We got the DJI Avata. We got the goggles. We're going to put these on real quick. Make sure this is the DJI motion controller. Okay, so in order to turn on the goggles, you just tap once, tap a second time, just like the drone and your remotes. Now the goggles are booting up. Same thing with the motion controller. Tap once, tap a second time, and the motion controller is now up and running. And now we're going to go turn the drone on over here. And the same thing with the drone. You're going to, back here on the back end of the battery, you have your on and off. You're going to tap it once, tap a second time, and it's up and running. And there you go. The Avata.
I can't wait.
Oh, I know, man. This is crazy. Crazy. Where are you? I can't see anything. You're good? All right. Here we go. All right. So in order to start the drone, there's the lock button here. You got to tap that twice. And I'm sure you can hear that. The drone is started. And then in order to take off, you got to tap this lock button again, but hold it down this time. Stand back, Jay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Our maiden flight. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Oh, this is such a trip.
Keep the bugs out of the way.
Oh, I know, right?
Everywhere.
This is such a trip, not having the goggles on and not using just your eyeballs. Oh my gosh. Wow.
That cuts off my hair.
Oh, there we are. Hello. Hello, Avata. Okay, so just so you know, it's not a twist here, twist there. It's actually like angle to the left, steady in the center, angle to the right, go to the right. Wow. Now, for the first time, I'm going to try here. Use the trigger. Pull the trigger just a little bit. Oh, and there she goes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to try and go up in elevation. Is it working?
Yeah, going up.
And go down. Man, what a trip. Look at that. Oh. What? It's turning. Ah, I didn't mean to turn. Okay, let's come back towards us. You just got to follow the dot. Or there's the circle and the crosshairs. And that's where the drone's going to go. And the more you pull the trigger back, the faster it goes. Wow, what a trip. Okay, let's bank to the left. Oh my gosh, it totally feels like you're flying in a plane.
Jet fighter.
If I go faster, yeah, at some point it is going to feel like a jet. Okay, that's full throttle. And we're in normal mode. Oh, see, you let off the trigger, it stops instantly. My goodness. It's loud, you can hear it. And you can see there's an H. For those of you that are watching the YouTube video, there's an H. That's the home, which is really cool. You can see it right in the goggles and come straight back. So go full speed.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
17, 18 miles an hour. Oh, brake. Bang. Got up to 18 miles an hour before we got to us. Oh, this is so cool. All right, bank left, back out. Let's go up in elevation. Climb, baby, climb, climb, climb. Oh, this is a trip, man. How is this even possible? Up at the tree line. Let's get away from the trees. I haven't really had enough practice with this guy to get close to trees. Full speed, full speed.
That's in the flash.
18 miles an hour. Wow, this has just got such good control. 17 miles an hour. While I'm doing this, can you keep your eye on anyone crossing the street with a dog or just walking in the park?
Mm-hmm.
And come behind us. It's very responsive, man. As soon as I turn my wrist, it just does it perfectly. My goodness. What a trip. And I'll let off the trigger, and immediately it brakes. That's crazy. I'm going to go up. See, at the same time going up, you're still going forward. That's a little weird to me. I'm not used to that. So we're at 180 feet, 200 feet.
Dad, you're going over a tree almost.
Yeah, it was going forward. That's something to keep in mind, you guys. If you haven't flown this yet, just because you aim it up doesn't mean it goes straight up. It actually continues going forward momentum. Okay, now if I point straight down at my feet, it's going straight down. This is something to get used to. I'm going to come back over the grass.
Okay.
And I'm going to try and land it straight down. I'm going to try and just point straight down and get it to just come straight down. Is it coming straight down?
Yeah.
See, I can't see a thing. Am I at the grass?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm really close. So I wonder if I can just go straight up then. There, okay. So in order to go straight up, straight down, you have to aim the motion controller high enough to see an arrow on the screen that points straight up. Same thing for going straight down. There it goes.
Oh,
There it goes. That's how you do straight up and straight down. What a trip. Oh my goodness. I'm already at 200 feet. I'm going to stop there. 220. I'm going to look down and point straight down. I'm going to come straight down. Here I come. Watch yourself. Wow. What?
Can't tell.
I can hear it. It's right there.
Right there.
It's just spinning. This thing is awesome, Jay. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to do the return to home.
Okay.
And then you can fly it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to fly out. And I'm going to go up in altitude, go up over the trees. Isn't this awesome?
Then we just say you lost your silver.
Sure.
I won more.
Sure. I'm so turned around. I do not know where to go. I must use return to home. All right, so return to home is super easy, you guys. You just take the big brake button here, tap it, and hold it down. All right, so now we're in return to home mode. Come on, Avata. Show us what you got, Avata, 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 Avata.
It looks like a dot.
Yeah? Isn't this cool? So I can pitch the camera down, actually, with this side toggle here. It slides up to face up, slides down to face the camera down, and we're going to watch it land. It's right over us. Like, this is gold. Yeah, baby. Come on, Avata. Show us what you got. Stay on target. Stay on target. That's pretty close. It's definitely not a bullseye. But, man, what a trip. Woo-hoo! Yeah. I wonder if it'll notice it's unstable ground like it usually does. Okay, no. Now we're cutting the grass.
Should I pick it up?
Woo! That was awesome!
But don't-
Yeah, can you put it
don't
back on
launch
the... Yeah, it's done. Can you put it back on the landing pad?
Yeah.
That was so cool. All right, so my turn's done. Now it's time for James. James, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. Goggles on. They are made for adults, not kids. And it's focused.
Try
Okay.
to turn on the engine.
And follow me. Yep. All right, ready to take off?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Show us how you do it in the simulator.
Right.
Click and hold. There you go. Motor's on. Click and hold. Boom.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Good job, Jay. Okay, nice and slow. Take it nice and slow. And when you're ready to go, just slightly, just pull it slightly back on the trigger. Good job. Okay, bring it back towards me, dude.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay.
You see me? Good job. Just bring it back towards you.
Okay.
Yeah. You got it. Good job, man.
Can we take the remote away so I can see where I am?
Isn't that cool? Oh, so you
Yeah.
wanted to lift the goggles up so you could see.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mhm.
So I'll fly it just straight forward. And by the way, this is normal mode. This isn't even sport mode. Like, there's a faster mode, so we're just starting on normal.
Mhm.
All right, back to you. Okay, nice and easy. Nice. Woohoo! Hey-o! Yeah, baby. Okay, keep it right there. Good job, man. Okay, what do you want to do before we land it and call it a day?
I think I'm gonna land it right now.
Don't want to go up and do the return to home?
Yeah, I want to do it.
All right, cool. Do that, and then we'll call it a day.
And what do I do with the big button?
You just hold it down until it starts beeping. That's it. Let's let it land first. There it is. Hey, that's pretty close to bullseye. Not bad. Yay. Oh, we're cutting grass.
Yeah.
We're trimming the weeds. Yay. Woo. Man, she did good. Maiden flight and all.
Here you go.
Yay.
Here you go.
Good job, Bob. Love you.
Me too.
Woo.
I think I'll just stick with the simulator for now.
The simulator? Okay.
Oh, wow.
Well, there you have it, the maiden flight of the DJI Avata. I enjoyed it. Did you like it?
Yeah!
Yeah, baby. Well, we hope you enjoyed it too. Stick around if you want to watch another video. You can click or tap up above. Whew, it's hot in the sun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jeepers creepers. Walk off.
That's it.